Snow, ice, freezing and thawing, as well as millions of tires do a number to Ann Arbor streets. Unfortunately, we can't repair all streets all at once. There are limitations. How much can we do with the money we have? Are there enough contractors? Will the infrastructure under the street need to be upgraded soon? How will work impact other planned projects? To decide, the city uses a data-driven process to determine which, when, and how to make repairs. This street selection process has two goals: a mix of fixes that extend a street's life and applying the right fix at the right time. This process has 4 steps. First, the city performs a condition assessment of all paved streets into a database. These results are available to the public via a pavement condition dashboard. Second, modeling software is used to identify costs for different types of repairs on each street. Third, considering the options, together with other infrastructure utility needs, staff plans work based on available funding. Fourth, long-term and bigger projects are placed in the city's capital improvement plan. Smaller, less traveled residential street projects are placed in the city's yearly zone-based plan. This zone plan breaks the city up into 8 sections, with work programmed for a different zone each year, which increases efficiency and reduces the come-back-again disturbances to neighborhoods. Current projects can be found online at www.a2gov.org/road construction. We understand that fixes can't come soon enough, and that this process can be frustrating. However, the process prevents favoritism, helps the city use taxpayer money wisely, and reduces the number of times the city has to come back to the same street. Thank you for watching. For more information and to track ongoing city road and utility projects, please visit www.a2gov.org/engineering.